Hey, Darbest here, and sometimes I watch the YouTube, and one of the channels I enjoy is the Gease Monkey or Gease Mountain. They work on these big older buses, and today's video they put out, I saw this, what looked to me could be a face, and so I'm going to do a little analysis here. I've had a brief look at it, but I haven't really had a good play with it, but I'm going to zoom in on it. This is just a screenshot of their compound, and I'm just going to zoom in on this here a little bit. I'm gonna draw some outlines here. Like I said, I haven't done any work with this yet. Let's take a look, because I think we might have something, and you know, if he likes it, maybe he can send me a better photo of this rock that is at the entrance to their little compound over there. And let us know. Oh, it's just a little rock that's on the entrance to their compound, and I've seen it in a couple of their other videos, and it caught my eye, but I hadn't started doing my analysis on faces. It had only been something I've been thinking about doing, but boy, this one here is real interesting. I'm just following those existing lines that are already there, you know. Let's maybe zoom in and open this up a little more. Alright, so let's see, this damn something that's black. What do you think? Let me draw some outline here. Just following the existing lines that are already here, you know. Size this up a bit. Let's make that even a little bigger. Just following the existing lines that were already there. Look at that black and white kind of rock here. Oops. So I'm doing all my art here on a mouse at the time being. This is kind of a new job for me, doing this digital art thing. And so I apologize, I'm not very good at it. But the main thing is, well, get a good outline here. That's the idea anyway. I think that's alright. Let's see here, but let's come in here. Looking at his eye. I'm gonna dot this down a little bit. Like, geez, can I get a darker black? And just trying to follow the existing line here. It's a line that's already here. See what comes out of this. I'm just tracing these existing lines on this photo. It's terrible. I know at this resolution it doesn't look very good, but I wonder what's going to happen when we back out. Oftentimes when I do this, I'll find that we find something interesting has happened. And I'm just tracing these lines. That's really all I'm doing. What's interesting here this is not a photo that I took by myself. It's actually just a screenshot from the Bus Gease Monkey video. So my apologies if it comes out bad, but let's see what happens here. These are existing lines. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there was a line there. Let's. Ooh, my hand is hurting. Let's go over here on the blue wheel and we'll just kind of color in a little bit of blue eye. It's easy to see. Racial thing is indicated for me. Oh, and we need some white in the eye here. Let's try some white. Obviously, we're looking at something that was in the past. If this was shaped and or decorated, or maybe this rock is even a fabrication from the ancestors. Maybe they use like a concrete, potentially, to fabricate these structures. Or for sure, I would say on this one they painted it. An eyebrow. Because what I saw initially was here on the right side, underneath the nose, the face is very dark, but then the hair over here looked lighter color. And then down here it was the white. Existing lines here. Let's back this out and see what we got here. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh. Pretty sure I see an ear, like right in here where there should be an ear. So I'm just kind of circling around this right here and trying to put him into having an ear. And then look at this big line right here. Gosh, look at that. Isn't that crazy? That is so crazy. Look at another smaller one here. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, look at that. That is so crazy. These are just existing lines. Unbelievable. Okay, maybe I embellished the nose a little bit, but not really that much. There's even some lines here on his face that we can put in. Just continue these down. Might be too much. Might be better to just leave the shading the way it is. Let's back this out again. Yeah. Is that his Adam's apple right there? Alright, well... some color for his lips, what do you think? Alright, let's see if it works when we back it out. Dude, it totally works. I'm not sure what to do with these eyebrows. I feel like we need to do something here. I mean, the outline for the eyebrow is there. It's this kind of blondie color. Does he have like blonde hair, or is it an Indian chief and he's got the big headdress and that was colors of the headdress? Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'd be really curious to know what other people think about this, because, man, this, to me, it's super fascinating to think that this could be some sort of a structure, you know, like a man-made thing or something that was shaped. It could have been a natural rock and then they shaped it to look like a human. Funny. You just give me skin color. Is this skin color? The universe just provided me with skin color, by the way, because I did not make that color. Thank you to whoever made this color for me. It's a little pink. You know, I don't want to overdo it. I think I'm just going to leave it right there, and you know, my wrist is starting to hurt. I got to listen to my body, but I want to thank everybody for coming along with me on this journey today and looking at this amazing photo, because it's just unbelievable. And I want to thank Gease Monkey for their video, and I'm going to send them a copy of this. Maybe you guys will like it. But again, you know, let me know in the comments what you guys think. What is this? Peace and love to you all, and lak'ech, I see you as another version of myself.